Need to add or update records in Salesforce? Here's how you can do it fast and efficiently. This process works in nearly all Salesforce setups, but check with your Salesforce Administrator to see if customizations affect the process. In this example, let's say you need to create a new contact. Click Contacts in the navigation bar, then hit New in the top right corner. When the form appears, fill out relevant fields like name, email, and account, and make sure you also complete any required fields, which have the red asterisk. When you're done, click Save. You've just created a new contact. Need to update details on an existing record? Open one of your contacts, then click the Edit button, or hit the pencil icon next to a field. You can now make your changes, like updating a phone number or email, or even adding a salutation. You'll see the space turn yellow, reminding you to hit Save to lock in your changes. To quickly update multiple records at once, check to see if Inline Editing is available. This allows you to edit directly in your list view. Hover over a field and look for the pencil icon. Click it, make your changes, and hit Save. No need to open the full record. And that's it. Creating and updating records in Salesforce is that simple. Make sure to like and subscribe for quick Salesforce tips and so much more. And for professional voiceover, videos, and instructional content, visit my website at xaviercarrigan.com.